Hello, my student. Peace and good. Today we will learn. Let's express with no vocabulary ideas around a daily thing with in the jungle. Expresemos con ideas conocidas de vocabulario sobre un tema diario en la jungla. Performance indicator. Spread with no vocabulary ideas around a daily thing within the jungle through audiovisual material. En el indicador de desempeño vamos a expresar con ideas conocidas de un vocabulario sobre un tema diario con los personajes de la jungla a través del material audiovisual. Listen and repeat. Escucha y repite. In the jungle, en la jungla. Cocodrilo, crocodile. Repeat that for me. Cocodrilo. Good. Elefante, elephant. Repeat that for me. Elefante. Very good. Rinoceronte, rhino. Repeat that for me. Rinoceronte. Good. Serpiente, snake. Repeat that for me. Serpiente. Good. Tigre, tiger. Repeat that for me. Tigre. Good job. Araña, spider. Repeat that for me. Araña. Excellent, my student. Now, remember in the jungle. Ahora recordemos los personajes de la jungla. 1. Crocodile. Number 2. Spider. Number 3. Elephant. Number 4. Rhino. Number 5. Tiger. Number 6. Snake. Excellent, my student. Thank you, my student. See you the next class. Peace and good. God bless you. Bye-bye.